I've been really excited to introduce Kamini Kusum to everyone. I spoke to her on the phone and I thought she's amazing. She's an electric current, she's a feminist, she's a writer, I don't know how else to describe you except that you completely currented me across the phone, and it was wonderful to speak to you. I have to say, she has written 32 books.
Wow.
32 books with 32 digital books, also 9 paperbacks. I mean, this is a force of nature sitting right here. And welcome Kamini. I'm really excited to have you here today with us. I wanted to actually start with a question. Since we have so many books that you've written, I wanted to know the one thing that was constant through all your books. Like, what do you think that is?
Okay, first of all, thank you so much, Poetry, you, Chaiti, Naz, and all of you. So coming to the question, one common thing that is there in all my books, that is a USP, is one single female character, strong female character who is driving the entire plot. Whether it is fiction, non-fiction, this will be one single female who will be covering everything. Whether it is a murder mystery, whether it is a thriller, whether it is romance or non-fiction. So there will be lead female characters, that is USP of my books.
Actually, Kamini, I really wanted you to say that yourself, because when we spoke on, between ourselves, I think the fact that she's so passionate about having one central woman character in everything that she writes. I mean, it was amazing, and I really, really love that. I also love another quote that she had when she was speaking to me. She said, once I started writing, I never stopped. And I wanted to actually quote that to everybody here, because that's what makes you who you are. So wonderful. So it's about having a central woman character, right? So this is the book that Kamini has written, which is A Dare to Shine. It has stories of Draupadi Murmu, our president. It has Sushmita Sen. It has Mary Kom. It has Kalpana Chawla. It has Lata Mangeshkar and so many other women in this, and I believe it's a treasure trove. Would you like to talk about this?
Yes. Okay, this Dare to Shine, first of all, this is now gone into 3rd reprint already, and it is a bestseller.
Wonderful.
It is published by Shrishti Publications. I think most of you would be knowing it's a very old publishing house. So basically, this idea was given by my publisher only to write about empowering women. Since I had been writing for a long time fiction, all centered on female character, just like you must have heard Daniel Steele की books आप लोगों ने पढ़ी होंगी. So वैसे ही strong female character was there always in my book. So this non-fiction idea came up, and I met a lot of women while writing this book. So you talked about the known names. There are many other names which people may not be knowing about, but they are really great achievers in their field. जैसे कि भारत की पहली महिला private detective. Have you heard about her? Do you know her? She is Rajni Pandit, India's first female private detective, and she has solved more than 80,000 cases.
Wow.
She is still running her agency very strongly, and she has 30 detectives under her working right now. I met this lady, and she is in her 60s, and I felt that everybody should know about her. We have been hearing about Sherlock Holmes, we have been hearing about fictional characters like Byomkesh Bakshi and all. लेकिन real life जासूस को भी तो जानो आप, and that too a female. Rajni Pandit, she has solved several murder mysteries. So there is a story about her. Interview had been taken. I gifted her the book also. So she is just one name. Another, I would ask, have you heard about India's first stunt woman? भारत की पहली महिला stunt woman. Action scenes तो हम लोग बहुत देखते हैं ना actor actresses के. लेकिन जो फीमेल एक्ट्रेसेस होती हैं उनके पीछे जो स्टंट करती है वो कौन है? इंडिया की पहली महिला स्टंट वुमन, शी इज रेशमा पठान. So I met this lady also. She's in her 70s right now, and she has done stunt and action scenes in more than 500 films.
Amazing.
So I took her interview. तो ऐसी ऐसी बहुत सारी फीमेल्स हैं जिनके बारे में मे बी आप लोग नहीं जानते होंगे, बट दे डिजर्व टू बी नोन. So this is what Dare to Shine is all about. So that is the reason it became a bestseller. It is a bestseller.
I also actually think that it's very commendable for women to celebrate other women.
Yeah.
और तुमने research करके you identified who it was, the women that needed to be talked about. I mean, you told us about 3 that we didn't know about. In
एक
their
चीज मैं इसमें ऐड करती हूँ, sorry to interrupt.
नहीं,
you.
please go.
You must have heard about the iconic Bollywood film Sholay. आप लोगों ने सुना ही होगा.
Yeah.
उसमें हेमा मालिनी इज राइडिंग अ टोंगा.
हाँ.
उसके पीछे गब्बर के लोग पड़े रहते हैं.
हाँ.
और वो कहती है चल धन्नो आज तेरी बसंती की इज्जत का सवाल है, और टांगा से वो पहिया खुल के गिर जाता है. एंड शी जंप्स एंड शी डज एन एक्शन सीन. तो आप लोगों को पता है वो हेमा मालिनी नहीं है, वो रेशमा पठान है.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
I'm sorry I interrupted.
No. In fact, this is your moment, and I think the more we know about the book and the women in it, it'll encourage us to read this. And I think we all should, especially all the men here for sure, but definitely all the women, to be able to see that. Thank you for that. I think it's absolutely wonderful. I want to talk about your latest book. Actually, I find that amazing. This is a book on India's first female bodyguard.
ये उन्हीं की तस्वीर
ये
है.
उन्हीं की तस्वीर है, and कामिनी ने ये किताब लिखी है, I think in collaboration with her, right? Kamini, I really want you to talk about this book to us.
Okay, so this is my latest book, again published from Shrishti Publications. ये Women's Day पे रिलीज हुई थी, ये वाले Women's Day पे. And she is Veena Gupta. She is India's first female bodyguard. हम लोग बॉडीगार्ड बहुत सुनते हैं. बॉडीगार्ड के नाम आते ही ना सलमान खान की वो मूवी याद आती है. वो अगेन वो फिक्शन है. आप रियल लाइफ बॉडीगार्ड को जानो ना, वो भी एक लेडी. शी इज द वन. And she started as an individual bodyguard, and now she is running an agency, security agency, which has gone global. So she is a global name now. So I co-authored this book with her, India's first female bodyguard. तो इनकी पूरी जर्नी है. जब इन्होंने करियर शुरू किया था ना, तो लोग समझते नहीं थे कि व्हाट इज अ बॉडीगार्ड. पीपल यूज्ड टू थिंक बॉडीगार्ड, एस्कॉर्ट. Are you an escort? This was the exact name that was given to her. People didn't understand what the hell bodyguard is, especially a female. Female क्या bodyguard करेगी? वो अपने आप को protect
Because
करने
not
वही
usually in that
bodyguard है.
field. हाँ.
Exactly.
हाँ.
People cannot digest this fact कि एक lady भी किसी को protect कर सकती है. But what Veena says, she is 53 years old right now. गुड़गांव में रहती हैं. तो what Veena says, I am a woman who protects a man. So that is what she said.
How did you, I'm very curious to know, how did you identify this opportunity how did you know about her, how did you get to her? Like, it's a very interesting thing. You're like uncovering a lot of achievements of women everywhere, and women that we need to know, obviously. Very curious, ये कैसे किया?
ये ऐसे हुआ because I was looking out for women from different fields. जब मैं Dare to Shine लिख रही थी,
हाँ.
so I was looking for women from different fields. So I got to know about her. When I went to her office and I took her interview, her life was like a roller coaster ride listening to her. मुझे लगा कि मैं इनकी कहानी एक चैप्टर में या 3,000-5,000 वर्ड्स में लिख ही नहीं सकती हूँ. She has a very inspiring life journey.
Wow.
And so that is the reason, thankfully my publisher cooperated, and उन्होंने बोला let's write a new book on her, a complete book on her, and that is how The Protector came out.
It's amazing. It's
So
absolutely
women can definitely make a career in the field of security. She can rise and she can earn in crores.
Ma'am, she's
Exactly.
bodyguard to whom?
इंडिविजुअल उनकी एजेंसी है, VIPs हैं, NRIs आते हैं. शी प्रोवाइड ये बॉलीवुड के जो भी है सेलिब्रिटीज हैं. शी इज अ बॉडीगार्ड टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल.
Okay.
In fact, there are celebrities where bodyguards are more famous than them, because I read about that in the gossip column of the magazines. But शेरा है ना?
शेरा
शेरा सर वो
हाँ, तो
सलमान.
ये वीना जी वही कर रही हैं.
हाँ.
वीना जी ने काफी इनकी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग असाइनमेंट्स हैं. शी गेव सर्विसेज टू क्रिमिनल लॉयर, अ फीमेल
Wow.
क्रिमिनल लॉयर. तो बहुत ही उठा-पटक एक्शन एंड ऑल है, which I won't disclose. For that you have to read.
So ma'am, this
Absolutely.
criminal lawyer also you've written about her also.
मतलब क्रिमिनल, शी गेव द सर्विस टू क्रिमिनल लॉयर. उन्होंने बचाया उनको, क्रिमिनल लॉयर को बचाया.
No, what I mean to say, she's also a woman, lady, ना you're talking about.
हाँ हाँ, उनको दिया था.
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं है शी इज restricted only to providing services to women, but that was one incident which an action happened right in the front of court,
And she was able to, yeah.
and she was able to protect her.
Yeah. I think that's fantastic. So Kamini, you seem like you're totally focused on discovering and protecting women through your writing
Yeah.
and celebrating their achievements, and much more power to you. I must say, I wanted to ask you a question, which was when we talk about all the power that we have and all the power that you give and receive from other women, what do you think is the most important aspect to women empowerment when we talk about it all the time? तुम्हारे हिसाब से क्या है वो एक बात?
सबसे पहले आई फील women should be financially independent. वो कहते हैं ना, लोग पूछेंगे आप कैसे हैं, only when you have money, आपके पास पैसे हैं. तो पैसा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Every woman should be financially independent in her own right. And definitely you can do everything. Equality is there. I won't say you don't have equal opportunities. Every woman has, at least in our country, we have all the equal opportunities. So she shouldn't dump her dreams like all these women in my book. जो
Yeah.
सपने हैं उसको पूरा करो.
पूरा
However tough it is, if men can do, you can. Also, at least you can try.
And I think the more we get inspired, the more it is, likely to talk to somebody that wants to give up on their dreams at that point in time, because there seems so much else to do. So I think that's absolutely great. I wanted to ask you one thing before we close, which is, what is the one advice you would give to women and men alike over here through your books, as a writer, as a person? What?
Okay, so basically I'll break up into two parts.
Please do.
So all those who are aiming to become a writer,
Yeah.
I have been in this field for the last 10 years, almost 10 years. And before that I was in the corporate sector for almost 15 years. So corporate के साथ ही I started writing. See, the only thing is that for the budding writers, ये सोच के नहीं लिखना है कि हमें मोटा फैट चेक पे चेक मिलेगा. ऐसा नहीं सोचना है. राइटिंग इज ऑल अबाउट पैशन. इट इज पैशन, पेशेंस एंड परसिवरेंस. सो अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि रातों रात बैंक बैलेंस बढ़ जाएगा, नो, इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. सो राइट विथ योर पैशन, एवरीथिंग एल्स विल फॉलो. एंड एज फार एज जनरल थिंग इज कंसर्न, ऑब्वियसली वी शुडंट गिव अप ऑन ड्रीम्स. या यू वांटेड टू आस्क समथिंग?
Tell us about your journey, like how did you get into writing from corporate sector?
Okay, so I did my MBA and I am also a PhD in management. So I worked in IT sector, TCS में, HCL में, Fidelity में. So I kept working. लेकिन अंदर एक कीड़ा होता है ना, हर किसी के अंदर कोई कीड़ा होता है, वो काटता रहता है, डंक मारता रहता है बिच्छू की तरह कि this is not your passion, there is something else. तो अंदर there was always a void. So while I was working in HCL, तो HCL के HR ने एक बार एक कॉन्टेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया स्टोरी राइटिंग, इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी राइटिंग का. तो मुझे लगा मैं भी ट्राई करती हूँ. सो आई ऑल्सो रोट अ स्मॉल शॉर्ट स्टोरी, इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी अगेन ऑन अ फीमेल कैरेक्टर. तो unexpectedly that story was adjudged as the best story and a mailer was sent in worldwide HCL offices. उसमें 1 लाख एम्प्लॉय HCL में काम करते थे और सबके पास मेल गया. उसके बाद मुझे इतने मैसेजेस आए इन इनबॉक्स कि क्या ये रियल स्टोरी है, क्या ये फिक्शन है. आई वॉज लाइक, जब लोग इतना सवाल कर रहे तो डेफिनेटली कुछ तो होगा ही ना. सो दैट इज़ वेयर आई डिसाइडेड आई विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग एंड देन आई रोट माई फर्स्ट बुक एंड इट वॉज आउट इन 2016.
So ma'am, you still in the corporate world?
No, I left corporate after almost 1.5 decade. फिर उसके बाद वही ना कीड़ा इतने जोर से काटने लगा ना राइटिंग का. सो इट वाज लाइक
आरजू मैम वाली बात ना, you have to choose what she said just now.
Yeah, but I think it's also about when I look at her and when I'm hearing you speak, it's about creating also opportunities for yourself. And I think that's the most wonderful part of the way that you live your life. It's not about the opportunities that are waiting. It's about the opportunities you are creating for yourself.
It's the power
And-
of creation.
Really. And I think, Kamini, well done.
Thank you.
Really well done. It was an absolute pleasure to have you today with Poetry and You. And I wish you more and more success. And I promise you I'm going to go through these within 2 days.
All these books are
Yes.
available on Amazon.
Yes, they are.
If you are interested, you can always order.
Thank you. Thank you so much.